In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video using guest access, so someone can watch it without signing up. This is a quick and useful feature when you want to send a video to someone who may not have an account, or when you simply want to make viewing as easy as possible. Instead of asking the other person to log in, create an account, or go through extra steps, you can generate a shareable link that gives them direct access as a guest. To begin, open the video you want to share. Make sure you're on the correct video before moving forward, especially if you have several files that look similar. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid sending the wrong content by mistake. Once the video is opened, look for the share option and select it. This is where the sharing settings for that video are managed. Depending on the platform or layout you're using, the share button may appear near the top of the screen or inside a menu, but the goal is the same. You're opening the sharing panel for that specific video. Inside the sharing options, choose guest access. This setting is important because it allows viewers to open the link and watch the video without signing up. In other words, it removes the extra barrier of account creation and makes the experience much smoother for the person receiving the video. After guest access is enabled, send the link. You can copy the link and paste it into an email, a message, or any communication tool you prefer. Before sending it, it's a good idea to double check that the link was copied correctly. If you want to be extra careful, you can even test the link yourself in a private or incognito browser window to confirm that it opens the way a guest would see it. Once the recipient gets the link, they can watch the video without signing up. That's the main benefit of this method: quick access with fewer steps for the viewer. It's especially helpful when sharing with clients, teammates, or anyone who just needs to view the content right away. And that's it. Open the video, go to share, enable guest access, and send the link so they can watch without creating an account. It's simple, efficient, and a great way to make video sharing more convenient.